when an artist is hitting walls with their skill level, it has to do with the fact that they are ignoring one or two of the three pillars for deeper artistic growth, which are principles, concepts, and techniques. Principles go hand in hand with learning art fundamentals, which is all of this essential theory that is very important that you start applying to your work. Art fundamentals include topics such as composition, light behavior, color theory, perspective. Learning about art fundamentals and starting to apply them mindfully and strategically in your work is going to help you increase its quality. Concept pillar has to do with the self-reflection and the planning and the process that you're going through to come up with your own ideas and create something that is your own. Your ability to come up with original concepts and create your own references is incredibly important. And finally, we have the techniques pillar. This has to do with improving your use of your drawing or painting mediums of choice. This is where following tutorials is helpful because you're learning from someone who already knows how to use that drawing or painting medium. You can improve your skills faster so that you're able to see your own visions come to life because you now know how to use the medium. These three pillars are all equally important and they feed off each other. So make sure that you don't ignore any of them.